Have you ever had a dream so big that everyone told you it was impossible? Something that even you doubted was achievable? Today, we'll show you how to dream and build like Elon Musk. Stay with us as we break down Musk's exact methods step by step, so you can turn your vision into reality. Elon Musk is a living example of turning bold dreams into groundbreaking realities. From colonizing Mars to revolutionizing clean energy, Musk doesn't just dream big, he executes big. And here's the secret: it's not magic or luck, it's a process. Let's dive into his method. Musk starts with one essential step: creating a clear vision. For him, it's about solving humanity's greatest challenges. Now, what's your vision? Take a moment. If there were no limits, what would you achieve? Write it down. Remember, a big vision is the foundation of everything. Elon Musk's genius lies in how he thinks. He uses first principles. Instead of accepting limits, he breaks problems down to their basics. Let's say your dream feels too expensive or unrealistic. Ask yourself, what are the fundamental barriers? Break them into smaller pieces. Focus on solving those one by one. Did you know that SpaceX faced multiple rocket explosions before their first successful launch? Musk didn't see these as failures. He saw them as learning opportunities. Your journey will have setbacks too. Instead of giving up, learn from them, adjust, and keep moving forward. Musk works harder than most people think. Is humanly possible, up to 100 hours a week when needed. But he also prioritizes learning. What skills or knowledge do you need for your dream? Commit to mastering them. Start by dedicating time every day to improving yourself. No great vision is built alone. Musk surrounds himself with people who share his passion and drive. Who can help you with your dream? Find those who believe in your vision, and together, you'll amplify your impact. Musk doesn't let distractions or criticism derail him. You'll amplify your impact. Musk doesn't let distractions or criticism derail him. His focus remains on the goal, no matter how impossible it seems to others. You'll face naysayers too. Ignore the noise. Stay bold and focus on your path. So let's recap. 1. Define your vision. 2. Think in first principles. 3. Embrace failure as feedback. 4. Outwalk and outlearn everyone. 5. Build a team. 6. Stay focused. These steps aren't just Musk's secret, they can be yours too. Take the first step today. Write down your vision and commit to making it happen. Ready to transform your dreams into reality? Hit subscribe. Share this video with someone who needs inspiration, and let's build a future together. Remember, your dreams are worth it.